Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic game tutorials how to shrink image. For example, we will open image, click file, open, and we open this image. Now if you want to shrink this image with a canvas, you can go to image menu, click on scale image, like this is default 700 pixels, and I will set into 500. You can press scale button, it will be changed into 500 for this image. You can scale again, like I will set into 1000. Scale to be changed into 1000. The other option, if you want only scales or sinks the image, you can use the scale tools. Scale, select the image objects, and you can scale the objects like this. Click scale to apply. Okay, that's it for basic game tutorials how to shrink image. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.